channel. Salamat!
Hello guys, good morning. Today I'm going to cook sinigang na kagyos. Since I mentioned about this kagyos in my previous vlog and I really missed it. Kagyos with sinigang na kagyos with meat. But the problem here, we don't have meat, so I mean beef or pork. So Shama told me to buy, what is this? Mutton meat. So they never taste as well. My family here, my Indian family here, kagyos with meat. They always cook with
Curries.
yeah, with curry or masala. And this time I will introduce this to cook with meat. Okay guys, so let's start and we will cook now sinigang na kagyos with mutton meat. Thank you. Hello guys, those are the ingredients. Ito yung, what is this in English?
Soup.
Soup or whatever. We have here radish, onion, black pepper, chilies. You know this, the main dish, kagyos. We call this in English black eye pea or Congo pea. Of course, tomato, spring onions, and mutton meat. Because here in India, we don't have this sinigang sampalok or mix. So I use loads of tomatoes. So it will give you sour taste. Okay, so let's start cooking now, guys. Okay guys, let's start now the cooking. First, we have to put the meat stock. Yes, this is... Yeah, ito yung masarap na compare sa plain water yung lalagay mo. So better the meat stock. And I think better we have to put first this kagyos to cook it first. Okay, and let it boil to cook the black eye pea or kagyos. Okay guys, since it's boiling, I think kagyos is cooking now. So let's put now the radish first. The radish. Yes, pinamay na. Let's put radish first, and I think, yeah, and let it boil again for 2 to 3 minutes. I think luto na ang radish, so this time let's put the tomatoes. I put loads of tomatoes because I don't have sinigang sa sampalok. So better I think put the onion as well. Shama likes garlic, so we put garlic as well. And let it boil again. So guys, since it's boiling, so lagyan na natin ng pampalasa. Unahin natin ng black pepper. Maraming black pepper para mas masarap. And then I will put salt. I forget to mention salt in ingredients. So let's see this. Mamaya natin titikman kung kulang pa sa salt, baka naman mapaalat. So after this, I think I have to put now chili as well. Yeah, para bumango. Parang sanay na sanay magluto ah. And now the rest ingredients is, I forgot to mention, meron nga pala kaming what's this? Radish leaves. So lalagyan din natin kasi wala naman dito kangkong. Radish leaves ang ilalagay natin. Tingnan natin kung pasado. Okay. Oh, ayan guys, oh. Lalagyan na natin ng spring onion para mas mabango. And the last one, dahil walang kangkong, this spring radish leaves. Ayos naman to. Sa tingin ko, hindi ko alam. I never put radish leaves sa sinigang. Anyway, si Shama nagluluto dito sa Philippines eh. Kaya lang beef lagi niya niluluto kasi wala nang hindi siya makakain ng pork. So let's see guys, wait natin for a couple of minutes. And I think sinigang kagyos with mutton meat is nearly cooked now. Okay, Nina? Nini is here. She wants to say something, Nina.
Oh, it's good.
Huh?
It's good.
Oh my god, it's good. Wait. What do you think of this? What Daddy's cooking?
Pizza.
Huh?
It's like I don't know what is that, but I know it. So I like it.
You really?
Yes.
Okay. So let's see if you will like it, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Okay guys, I think it's cooked now, the sinigang kagyos with mutton leaf. Look guys, what do you think? I think this is very yummy. Let's see ang reaction nila kung magugustuhan nila itong kagyos with meat. Okay? Thank you guys. Because I really miss this kind of food. Yeah?
That look yummy.
Look, for me this is what I am always thinking. Kasawa din kasi minsan pagka always
Rich and
curry and Indian food.
It tastes similar, yeah? How we cook in Philippines.
Because of this kagyos as well.
Mm.
I don't know in other province if they are cooking this way. This is very famous dish in Batangas. Okay guys, so let's see. Masarap siya, masarap. Ayos din yung mutton. Very soft nga lang yung meat ng mutton compare sa beef. So let's see kung anong magiging reaction nila. First time nila makakatikim ng ganito. Okay? How about Nina? Do you like it? How about Shania?
Yes, I like it.
With this vegetable, you should eat vegetable, Nini, huh? Because
My eyes?
not your eyes, because you're growing. You need, so you will be strong. Okay?
Which bone is stronger? Which bone is stronger? Yours.
So what do you think, Nina?
Do you like it?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Nina is always positive.
You like it? Oh, that's good. So you eat healthy food, yeah? No more chocolate or sweet, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not that sweet.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Nina. Hello guys, today it's their first time to taste this sinigang kagyos with mutton meat. This is with mutton meat. And how you call this kagyos in
Tuwar.
Tuwa?
Tuwar.
Tuwa.
Mutton tuwar સાથે
With
બનાવેલી
mutton.
છે.
So please taste it. No, but all. Because it's hot, better to eat.
Careful, huh, baby? And Shania, you careful. It's very hot.
But this is not that spicy because of Nina. So I just want to know the honest reaction. Yeah? If you don't like it, Nina like it. And we will ask one by one. Dad, you can eat now as well. And then later we will ask you if you want to. How you call this radish, Shama?
મૂળો.
Yeah, the rice with muro.
મૂળો નાખે છે. So Seema,
How about that?
Yeah,
That
nice,
is-
nice taste.
nice taste. Honest answer.
Yeah, yes,
કેવો taste છે? How is the taste?
nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
What is the taste? in
What is the taste?
And soup.
it? No, you can say in Gujarati.
ગુજરાતીમાં કહો.
સારું છે taste.
She said it's just nice. તને mom?
મને પણ સારું લાગે છે
Are you sure?
શ્યોર
Sure. soup છે એટલે.
સૂપ
સૂપ
નાખ્યો.
છે ને અંદર એમાં શું શું નાખ્યું છે
She's asking what do you put it inside all this
This is
vegetable?
all vegetable.
Onion, garlic,
Yeah, and this is
મૂળાની
radish.
ભાજી.
Yeah.
મૂળાની
Yeah.
ભાજી લાંબી લાંબી મૂળો,
તુવેર.
તુવર, ટમેટો.
અને
Yeah.
boil કરી દીધું.
હા,
Shama boil it first.
I boil
બધું
the
બોઇલ કરી
હા સૂપ
આ મટન બધું જ boil સાથે કર્યું.
અને ઓઇલ વોઇલ નહીં નાખવાનું?
No oil.
No oil.
No oil.
વઘારવાનું કશું જ નહીં.
ના ના
But that try to taste it. That don't.
દેટ કેવું લાગ્યું તમને
Very tasty.
શ્યોર
Yeah.
Honest reaction. If you don't like it, I don't mind.
Yeah.
ના સારું લાગ્યું ને તો કહી
ના, ના,
દઉં.
ના.
But it's nice. It's not spicy, no?
Not spicy.
No.
Mom said for winter this soup is good. For winter because it is winter.
For winter.
Because winter they like this. In summer you will not like this. Baby,
મસ્ત
If you don't like
ચીચી છે,
vegetables,
ચીચી,
he don't like vegetable. Like
કેવું લાગ્યું?
baby. And Shania,
Good.
good. Do you like it?
Nini eat.
Nine eat. Nine eat at the home.
Ma'am, do you cook this kagyos? This tuba?
તુવર
Tuba with meat? Or
મટન સાથે તુવર બનાવો છો?
No, yeah.
Never. This is first time, and
Yeah.
this is totally different dish for them. They just cook curry with
Yeah.
potato, onion, tomatoes. Not
In Philippines, we cook mixed vegetable and meat. Shama cook this in Philippines.
it's good if it is cold.
Yeah.
It's good for
And-
throat.
And spicy.
Spicy,
Mm.
then it is good. You will keep drinking, and along with hot rice, it is very very
Yeah,
good.
hot rice, plain
આ
rice.
ગરમ પીએ તો સારું.
Yeah,
Mm.
Mom said this will be nice if it is hot only.
Yeah, very hot
when only
it's
hot.
cook and then rice is hot as well, so you eat together. So okay guys, they like sinigang na kagyos.
Oh,
thank you
so-
very much. Thank you very much. They
So
like
your
it.
hard work is done good.
And this I'm introducing Filipino food to them.
What is the dish name? Mom is asking.
This is we call sinigang.
Sinigang.
Yeah,
Sinigang.
In Philippines we sinigang pork, sinigang chicken, sinigang
Chicken nu bane
beef.
આવું, beef nu bane, pork nu bane.
Mutton, we don't have mutton. We have, but people don't eat. We eat beef.
Big.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay guys.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye kar do. Bye bye.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening. Hope you all doing good. Today Bimbo tried to introduce a new dish, Filipino
Okay.
dish to
Yeah.
my family, and they were very very excited because it is new dish for them. And they are curious as well, and they are little bit hesitate as well to taste that. But once they taste, they really like.
Especially
the-
I cook.
once they taste, they really like the taste because I said to them I eat this and it is really good dish, and they like it.
Yeah,
Their reaction was positive.
Yeah, they like mutton and they like this kagyos. What is this? Tabar.
Yeah, tuvar.
Tuvar, so-
And all fresh vegetable, what he prepared, and it is winter time here, so they really like the taste.
Oh.
Really, it's good.
Okay.
Yummy. So it's time for shout
Shout
out
out.
now. Special shout out and thank you very much to these two guys who sent their beautiful gift to my mom.
Mom, yeah.
And mom said as well, thank you very much to both of them, Kalinga Layard and April Dangivan from North York, Ontario, Canada. Thank you very much, both of you. My mom is really happy.
Yeah, thank you very much,
Thank
April.
you.
And Kalinga Layag.
Belated happy birthday, Edison Ancheta, November 17,
17.
DYN USA. God bless Kabayang. Big shout out from Randy Hernandez, always watching Bimbo Corneo vlogs.
Okay, it's my turn. It's Frankenstein's Adam dahil Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs lang ang malakas. This one is Miss Angel Mait, new subscribers from Holland. JC Kimpai, new subscriber from Toronto, Canada. Hope to watch more Indian culture. Rodrigo Santos, new subscriber from Oxford, England. Scarlett Lovely, my friend, please visit her channel. Scarlett Lovely from Bangalore. Sun TV Vlog, always watching Bimbo Cornejo Vlogs. Si Edita Midalon, your vlog is so inspiring. Mabuhay kayo. Thank you, Ma'am Edita. Emma Takishama, watching from Tokyo, Japan. Si Jinky San Luis ng Baclaran. Hello sa mga taga Baclaran. Zakaria Bano, Daman Kingdom, Saudi Arabia. And this one, the last one is from Alberto Velasco Vlog and Family from Lipas City, Batangas. Okay, that's it.
Thank you guys watching us, and we are nearly to 100,000 subscribers.
Yes.
Please keep supporting us. We are very happy. Keep sharing us as well.
Yeah.
And don't forget to
Subscribe,
Big Ho Cornejo Vlog. Follow us on Instagram.
Yes. Okay.
Follow us on Instagram.
Yes. Okay.
Instagram. Thank you very much, guys.
Bye-bye.
Good
Good night.
night.